to another video. So today we will learn about ABCD and revise ABCD. For apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for P for jar, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for walk, X for xylo, I for yak, Z for zip. Let's revise again with song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z or Z. So next we will learn about days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's try again with the song type. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So next we will learn about fruits name. Pineapple, banana, orange, cherry, watermelon, strawberry, grape, pear. Let's try again with the song type. Pineapple, banana, orange, cherry, watermelon, strawberry, grapes, pear. So next we will learn about what words? Ka, kha, ga, gha, la, cha, ja, jha, ya, ta, tha, da, dha, ra, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, ha, cha, trigya. Let's learn again with a song type. Let's start. Ka, kha, ga, gha, da, cha, 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 ja, jha, ya, ta, tha, da, dha, ra, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, ba, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, ha, cha, trigya, shra. Let's learn tables. 1 1's a 1, 1 2's a 2, 1 3's a 3, 1 4's a 4, 1 5's a 5, 1 6's a 6, 1 7's a 7, 1 8's a 8, 1 9's a 9, 1 10's a 10. 2 1's are 2, 2 2's a 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10, 2 6's are 12, 2 7's are 14, 2 8's are 16, 2 9's are 18, 2 10's are 20. 3 1's are 3, 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 3 4's are 12, 3 5's are 15, 3 6's are 18, 3 7's are 21, 3 8's are 24, 3 9's are 27, 3 10's are 4 1's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 4 3's are 12, 4 4's are 16, 4 5's are 20, 4 6's are 24, 4 7's are 28, 4 8's are 32, 4 9's are 36, 4 10's are 40, 5 1's are 5, 5 2's are 10, 5 3's are 15, 5 4's are 20, 5 5's are 25, 5 6's are 30, 5 7's are 35, 5 8's are 40, 5 9's are 45, 5 10's are 50, 6 1's are 6, 6 2's are 12, 6 3's are 18, 6 4's are 24, 6 5's are 30, 6 6's are 36, 6 7's are 42, 6 8's are 48, 6 9's are 54, 6 10's are 60, 7 1's are 7, 7 2's are 14, 7 3's are 21, 7 4's are 28, 7 5's are 35, 7 6's are 42, 7 7's are 49, 7 8's are 56, 7 9's are 63, 7 10's are 70, 8 8's are 8, 8 1's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 8 3's are 24, 8 4's are 32, 8 5's are 40, 8 6's are 48, 8 7's are 56, 8 8's are 64, 8 9's are 72, 8 10's are 8, 9 1's are 9, 9 2's are 18, 8 1's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 8 3's are 24, 8 4's are 32, 5's are 40, 8 6's are 48, 8 7's are 56, 8's are 64, 8 9's are 72, 8 10's are 80. 9 1's are 9, 9 2's are 18, 9 3's are 27, 9 4 36, 9 5's are 45, 9 6's are 4 9s 1s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 9 1s are 10, 10 2s 10 4s are 4, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 7, 10 8s are 80, 10s are 90, 10 10s are 100. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, July, August, September, October, November. Bye bye friends. Subscribe for more videos.